Subtracting whole numbers. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations because addition can undo subtraction and subtraction can undo addition. For example, if 15 minus 9 equals 6, we can check that result by adding 6 plus 9 equals 15. The subtraction took 9 away from 15 and the addition put the 9 back. When subtracting whole numbers, the first step is to line up the numbers by their place value. As a reminder, place value means the value a digit has because of its position in the number. In the number 859, the 8 is in the hundreds place, the 5 is in the tens place, and the 9 is in the ones place. When we subtract vertically, ones must line up with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and so on. In this example, no borrowing is needed. 859 minus 324. Now, the reason no borrowing is needed is that each top digit is greater than or equal to the digit below it. In the ones place, 9 minus 4 equals 5. In the tens place, 5 minus 2 equals 3. And in the hundreds place, 8 minus 3 equals 5. So the answer is 535. But now we need to understand subtraction with borrowing. So let's try 53 minus 28. Now intuitively, you should know that the answer will be less than 53 because unlike your inbox, the number will actually get smaller once you take something away. So in the ones place, we cannot subtract 8 from 3 because 3 is smaller than 8. So we can borrow 110 from the 5 in the tens place. This is not theft, it is place value cooperation. The 5 tens become 4 tens. The 3 ones become 13 ones. Now we can subtract the ones place. Then we can subtract the tens place. So the final answer is 53 minus 28 equals 25. Checking your work is optional in the same way that breaks are optional. To check a subtraction problem, add the difference to the number that was subtracted. The result should be the starting number. In the example, 53 minus 28 equals 25. The starting number is 53. The number subtracted is 28, and the difference is 25. The check is 25 plus 28 equals 53. So if you're looking at these two problems, you can see that one is more or less the reverse of the other one. Because this is true, the subtraction is correct. If the check doesn't work, something has gone feral. Go back and find it.